Need a reliable benchtop mortiser for cleaner, stronger woodworking joints? In this video, we're reviewing the best benchtop mortiser machines for every budget, comparing their power, accuracy, and ease of use. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or buying your first mortiser, this guide will help you choose the right one. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for product details, pricing, and special offers. Number 1 is the Powermatic PM701 Benchtop Mortiser, built to deliver serious power alongside precise, repeatable performance. It drives a 3/4-inch chisel through a full 5.5 inches stroke, ensuring clean, consistent mortises pass after pass. The heavy-duty handle can be mounted on either side of the machine, giving you flexibility to match your shop layout and working style. Alignment is simplified with integrated spacers for chisels and bits, while a reliable inline depth stop keeps your cut settings locked in without shifting. A large magnetic chuck door opens easily for quick access, and a built-in storage holder keeps chisels, accessories, and a sharpening stone close at hand. The fence locks quickly via a cam action mechanism, and a sturdy hold-down system keeps workpieces firmly secured. For serious mortising work, the PM701 stands out as a dependable choice. Number 2 is the Jet JBM5, a reliable addition to any shop that handles both basic frame joints and more intricate mortising with ease. Powered by a smooth-running half-horsepower motor, it cuts confidently through softwoods and hardwoods, and its 4 3/4 inches stroke is well-suited to the majority of everyday projects. The adjustable, multi-position feed handle offers added comfort during extended use, while the quick-adjust depth stop ensures each mortise matches the last. Overall, this machine delivers more value than its price tag suggests. Sturdy, no frills, and accurate, the JBM5 is a solid pick for both hobbyist woodworkers and professionals looking for a long-lasting mortiser they can count on. Number 3 is the Delta 14651 Bench Mortiser, offering solid, reliable performance for precision mortising tasks. A half-horsepower motor running at 1720 RPM provides consistent power for a variety of applications, and the sturdy cast-iron base ensures stability throughout use. Together, an adjustable fence and secure hold-down system keep workpieces firmly in position, while the multi-position control handle supports comfortable operation even during extended cuts. Mortise depth stays consistent thanks to the adjustable depth stop, and support for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch chisels adds welcome versatility. While some users have noted occasional quality control issues, the 14651 still holds up as a practical, efficient option for both hobbyist woodworkers and professionals looking for a long-lasting mortiser they can count on. Number 4 is the Grizzly Industrial GO645 Benchtop Mortising Machine, built with rigid cast-iron construction and a dovetail column with rack and pinion head control for consistently precise mortises. A pneumatic return strut smooths out the repetitive motion of cutting multiple mortises, and an included riser block extends maximum stock thickness to 6 inches. The half-horsepower motor powers through hardwoods and softwoods alike, while the easy-access drill chuck makes swapping chisels quick and simple. It ships complete with 4 mortising chisels, an adjustable depth stop, and a multi-positional handle for comfortable use at any angle. With a large cast-iron table and onboard tool storage, the G0645 combines durability, capacity, and convenience in one dependable package. Number 5 is the ShopFox W1671 Mortising Machine, a heavy-duty option well-suited for serious woodworking demands. Its powerful 3/4 horsepower motor cuts smoothly through both hardwoods and softwoods, while the 1/2 inch chuck holds bits securely, and the adjustable depth stop ensures every mortise comes out uniform. A swiveling base allows for off-bench operation, making it easier to work with larger stock, and the long, adjustable steel handle delivers the leverage needed for accurate, controlled cuts. A solid cast-iron base and heavy-duty fence keep the machine steady during operation, while the gas spring return and easily accessible chuck doors add practical everyday convenience. Durable and versatile, the W1671 is a worthwhile addition to any serious workshop. Number 6 is the WEN 43013 Benchtop Mortiser, designed to make cutting square holes straightforward, powered by a 5-amp motor that reaches up to 1725 RPM for tackling tough cuts. The half-inch chuck accommodates various bit sizes, and 4 1/4 inches of spindle travel allows mortises up to 3 inches deep in material as thick as 4 inches. A spring-loaded cast-iron fence supports both precise and broad adjustments, while the pneumatic return ensures smooth, controlled operation. The spacious 13.5 inches by 6 inches table rests on a solid 10 inches by 8 inches cast iron base, and the hold-down works with boards up to 3.5 inches thick. Additional features include onboard chisel storage, an adjustable feed handle, a built-in depth stop, 3 chisel bits, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, a chuck extension adapter, and a 3/4 inch chisel bushing, all supported by WEN's 2-year warranty and responsive customer service. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best benchtop mortiser machines. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your woodworking project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and woodworking tips. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for the latest prices, detailed product information, and current deals. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.